Thank you so much, Ionia, for taking the time to talk to us. What a treat! Oh.
Today, I'd like to introduce you our Made on Demand program. We started this program in 2014. It's about sustainable fashion, zero waste, and no inventory. For $100, you can get a beautiful custom-made upcycle t-shirt. To make a kimono dress, the cost is $380. To make a coat dress, the cost is $450. And you can also select styles from our vintage. And our design team will redesign for you into a new style just made for you for $490. How you can start this Make on Demand program? First, you select a style from our magazine, or go to our website. Or if you have some pictures you like, you can send it to us. Our design team will work with you more closely. We need to know more details, how you like to have it made, long or short, loose or fitted, and what color. And we can also set up an online measurement with you to get a more accurate measurement for your styles. After that, we will send you a snapshot fabric swatch for your approval. If everything's okay, we will have half of your deposit for the order. In 2 weeks, everything will be done and it's ready to send it to you. On that day, you will pay us the balance of the order in full. For more questions, you can always go to page 4950 about the measurement and how Make on Demand order works. You can always email us at jsongteam@jsongway.com, call us or text us at 212-736-1189. Thank you.
To share with you what we are doing at JSong 2020 and 2021. Just made zoom top, the top's cropped and the sleeves are open, and these are hand pen, and this is the pleated palazzo we just made, and then we draft it on the paper pattern and make sure this actually works well, the printing, and we made this. And most of the pieces we made in our studio are the same process. We draft it and then we cut the muslin. And this group is particular, everything is made from natural undyed cotton muslin. And this is hand painted. We used a natural dye to hand paint it on the Lotus coat dress. It's really full. Yes, you do have the sizing pockets. It's comfortable. When you go outside, you can put it on over anything and just go easy, very easy. This one is a off-the-shoulder, our swimming Lotus dress, also painted on. You can detach it from the shoulder and then wear it differently as a vest, or just let the ruffle hanging like this. It's also very comfortable and it's swinging, yes, like that. And this is our Peasant dress, JSong Peasant dress. So you can wear at home or go anywhere. So then it's just full, very comfy. We can make the length you like. And if you like to go out or you like to put it a definition on the waist, you can build it. Just kind of lovely. This group is JSong Summer White or JSong White Romance. I was inspired by a customer and friend. Her name is Pat, and she wants to build her new wardrobe, all white. So, and this is a white jacket with high slit sleeve, and you just can use it for many purposes, you know, and anywhere. And the white lace pants, white sequin top, and then lace tops, lace skirts, and the panel dress. So this top is particularly inspired by a friend, also customer. Her name is Peggy. So she loved everything asymmetrical, and we make very long lace top for her. So this fabric can be customized, so you can choose your own fabric, and everything made to last. The lace top, lace skirts can go anything, just mix and match. And this dress is transformable, so you can wear it with the ruffle placement in a different way, so that also interesting. So you can wear it in any occasion, so then in a different way, easily think it's a different dress. So this is a silk Luxe Limited Edition, and the fabric is from a studio of Mr Kang, and a high-end couture studio. After his production for his clients, I saved the leftover fabric for JSong. So these are all 100% silk. This is made a Peasant blouse for a friend, Raquel. And this pants is a elastic waistband, just like what I wear, with the super comfy, yeah, with the elastic. A A-line dress, a gentle A-line dress, also with the sizing pockets, with the detail, ruffle detail, small mini ruffle detail. And this is a tunic. You can wear as just a dress or as a top, a long tunic top. And the under here, you actually have a A-line skirt, and this is a hand pleats, and the blouse. Sometimes you can take the blouse, wear with the skirt. So it's very flexible. These are our Upcycle t-shirt from basic t-shirt, so just a crew neck basic t-shirt. So we customized it. You know, you are welcome to take your own t-shirt, the t-shirt you no longer wear, and you can change around and make something fabulous. So for example, you can print your favorite photo on your t-shirt by heat transfer. And then this is a neckline. We changed from the crew neck to a square neckline. And these we use the patchwork, and also we changed to V-neck. And the zigzag stitch resemble the Brooklyn Bridge suspenders, you know, inspired by Brooklyn Bridge. And then this is also a patchwork. And then we also changed the long sleeve to a short sleeve with the ruffle edge sleeve. And you know, move the neckline a little lower, so that some change. And this one we did the painting, so print a graphic on the back. So this is our dress sketch. So you can do it, and this is a very easy DIY customization, reuse, upcycle, and any item from your closet.